Welcome to this lesson on ordinal data. In the world of statistics, understanding the different types of data is the foundation for proper analysis. Today, we are focusing specifically on data that deals with rankings and order. Before we dive in, let's look at the big picture. Data is generally split into two camps: quantitative, which is all about numbers and counting, and qualitative, which describes categories. Ordinal data lives in the qualitative camp. It is a specific type of categorical data, sitting right next to nominal data. So, what exactly is it? Ordinal data is categorical data where the values have a natural, meaningful order. Think of it like a ladder. You can step up from low to medium to high. The sequence matters significantly. The key word here is ordinal, which sounds like order. If you rearrange the categories, the meaning gets confused. For example, listing sizes as small, then large, then medium breaks the logical flow. The sequence is rigid and informative. A classic example you see every day is a satisfaction survey. When you rate a service from unhappy to very happy, that is ordinal data. There is a clear progression from a negative sentiment to a positive one. Education levels are another great example. We move from high school to a bachelor's degree to a master's and so on. You can say that a master's degree is a higher level of education than a bachelor's. There is a built-in hierarchy. Think about the tags on your clothes: small, medium, large, and extra large. These are categories, not just numbers, but we all know that large is bigger than medium. This inherent ranking is what defines ordinal data. It helps to compare ordinal data with its sibling, nominal data. Nominal data involves categories with no order, like colors or types of fruit. An apple is not ranked higher than a banana. But with ordinal data, like metals or ranks, one category is definitely ahead of another. Here is the most important rule to remember. With ordinal data, we know the order, but we do not know the distance between the ranks. In a race, first place might be just 1 second ahead of second place, but third place could be 10 minutes behind. The gap is not guaranteed to be equal. To wrap up, remember these 4 points. Ordinal data is categorical. The order is crucial. Common examples are ratings and sizes. And finally, the difference between the categories is not mathematically defined. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.